Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Vega trimmer. First, make sure your trimmer is fully charged. A full charge typically provides about 90 minutes of cordless use. Next, clean the blades thoroughly with the included brush to remove any debris. Then, choose the correct comb attachment for your desired hair length, ranging from 1 mm to 10 mm. Finally, apply 1 or 2 drops of lubricating oil to the blades for a smooth, snag-free trim. When you begin trimming, always move the trimmer against the direction your hair grows. This technique helps ensure a more even and consistent cut. Apply light, consistent pressure, letting the trimmer do the work to prevent any pulling or discomfort. If you are unsure about the length, start with a longer comb setting, perhaps 10 mm, and gradually reduce it until you achieve your desired look. A steady hand is key for precise results. For detailing and creating sharp lines, remove the comb attachment. This allows you to use the bare blade for precise edging around your beard, mustache, or sideburns. Gently stretch your skin with your free hand. This creates a taut, smooth surface, making it easier to achieve clean, crisp lines. After you finish, you can rinse the detachable blades under running water for quick and easy cleaning, ensuring hygiene for your next use. Proper maintenance extends your trimmer's lifespan. After every use, clean the trimmer thoroughly with the provided brush to remove all hair clippings. Remember to lubricate the blades regularly, perhaps once every 2 or 3 uses, with 1 or 2 drops of oil to keep them sharp and efficient. Store your Vega trimmer in a dry, cool place, away from any moisture, and ensure it is fully charged before storing it for an extended period. This keeps it ready for your next trim.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.